So here is our problem here with the fuel. So as you can see there, it's like it's reading 5.4.5, 6. It goes all the way to 8, and as soon as the problem starts and the car gets possessed, the voltage drops to 0. If you look at the, forget about the line there, just look at the numbers there on the black screen. Okay, now it's driving, I'm going 20. As soon as the problem starts, it's gonna drop to 0. Alright, it started. There you go, that's it. So that's it. I can't go more than 10 miles per hour, and the car shakes and it stalls. Check engine lights flashing. Fuel, the injectors are stuck at 0. They cannot open, so the computer is not opening those injectors anymore. Now I have to shut the car off again, so the computer thinks that there is power or some. So okay, I just shut it off and on. Now it's 8. It's at 8, 3.1 volts. Car drives good, takes off really good. Then all of a sudden it's just gonna drop again to 0. Okay, now I have a stop sign here. It's driving good. It's taking off 30 miles per hour, 40. Alright, I'm losing power now. Oh, 0. So that's our problem. We gotta go ahead and get another computer and see if they can give you another one. Alright, thanks.